So guys, welcome to my channel. First go to this website, official website dell.com, and after that click on support and then click on driver downloads. Then enter the model number and then hit to search. Select this, slow down. So wait few seconds, you can see this is loading the data. Select the driver, you can check that automatically, so you can see required driver, you can see, and then you can install directly. Otherwise you have to install manually, so you can select the driver. After that click on categorize, then you can select the operating system, by default Windows 11. So this is all driver BIOS, chipset, network, storage, video, graphic card, and all driver there. Slow down. Network and internet. Network and internet, you can see the MediaTek 407920 and you can see extract. This is a Wi-Fi driver. You can see Wi-Fi driver, and this is download icon. You just click to download, and you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time. So then it is downloaded. Just single click to open the Wi-Fi driver, then click for yes for administrator rights, then install the software, update this, and you can see extract the install later. So I recommend you install this list and then click to continue. It will take some time to install, and the Wi-Fi, you can see this model number with, and this is this laptop Wi-Fi driver. So then you can see this software successfully updated, and this is Wi-Fi driver. After that just click on close.